To begin, on any of the school websites, if you hover over the Staff tab, you'll find the link to Protraxx. So I'm going to select that. Once you're here, you'll go to the Login button, put in your user information, and it should bring you to this screen. From here, you're going to go to Teacher Processes, and you're going to select My Goal Plans. Here, yours should look something similar to this. You're going to say View Goal Plan, and then create a new goal. This will bring you to a screen that has some general plan information here. You're going to select your goal type. We're going to choose SMART goals. It's then going to bring up some plan information. If the school and grade level are not auto-populated, you'll need to enter the school that you are in as well as the grade levels that this will be affecting. You will choose your content area. I'm going to choose Technology Education. And then you read the instructions and fill out your reflection for your needs assessment, your SMART goal statement, and your timeline. The system does require that you enter information in each of these fields. You are also able to request a meeting with your evaluator. Once you are done with this, or if you are going to be coming back to it so you'd like to save it as a draft, you can choose Save Goal. So from here, it brings you back to the goal plan, and you can review what you have. You can update your information if you would like by selecting this, which will bring you right back to the editing page. Once you're here and you're happy with what you have, again, you're going to choose Save Goal. And then you're going to go back. If you are happy with what you have entered there, you're going to go back to the View My Goal Plan. When you're back here, you will see that your SMART goal is here. It's listed. If you would like to view it, you would click here. If you'd like to create a new goal, in case you're submitting more than one SMART goal. You also have the option here to put in any comments that you may have, such as you'd like to set up a meeting, you may have a question that you'd like to ask. You would then submit that comment, and then you can submit this plan for approval. Once you've submitted for approval, you will still be able to view your SMART goal, but the edit and update functionality will not be available unless your evaluator returns your SMART goal for revisions.